Hello everyone, it's Amar Sansilla and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make pumpkin spiced flan. This would be a great dessert that you can add to your Thanksgiving table. So let's make this together. Here we go, let's make the flan mixture. I have 5 eggs. I'm using 5 jumbo eggs and it's about 10 ounces. I'm gonna put that into the mixing bowl. I'm gonna add the pumpkin puree. It's 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. I'm gonna add that to the mixing bowl as well. And let's mix this up. Let's add the condensed milk. And evaporated milk. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. It smells so good. Add that. And we're gonna add half a teaspoon of vanilla. Maybe 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, let's mix this up a little. And there you have it. This is the mixture for the pumpkin flan. Now let's make the caramel for the flan. So we have the sugar and the water in the pan. We're gonna put it at a medium heat and let that melt. You can see all the sugar has melted and it's starting to bubble. So we've got to keep an eye on it. You can see it's starting to turn golden. We want it like a honey color, but we don't want it burnt. To me, this color looks beautiful. It's a golden honey color, so I turned off the heat and let's put it in the ramekins. Here I have 6 individual ramekins and I've sprayed it with butter spray. Let's ladle the caramel into each of them. Let's just make sure that it coats the bottom. We need to work fast. What you want to do with the pot is put some hot water in and let it sit on the stove so that all the caramel melts. Okay, some like to swirl the caramel all around the rim. You can do that as well. Add the egg mixture. What we want to do next is add some hot water to the pan so that it fills about half the ramekin height. We'll do the same for this one. We will bake these in the oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. So in the oven it goes. 40 minutes is up. Let's do a toothpick test to see if the flan is ready. We're going to put a toothpick in the middle and see if it comes out clean. Came out clean. What I need to do now is let them cool at room temperature. Then we need to refrigerate them for 3 hours. The Pumpkin flan has been chilling in the fridge for about 3 hours and it's ready to be eaten. Let's try to plate one flan. Let me put this aside. And what we want to do is take one little ramekin of flan, just run a knife around the side to release the flan. Then we want to flip it over, so I'm going to use a little dish that has a little rim and just put that on and then flip. The flan came out beautifully. Look how pretty this is. Let's do a taste test. It is silky smooth, it is soft, it just melts in your mouth, and it's got some texture to it because the pumpkin has a lot of fiber to it. You can see the texture from the pumpkin. It is just delicious. This pumpkin spice, we only put half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and the taste of it is just subtle. I want to say if you like more pumpkin spice in your flan, I would go for 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Oh, this is just lovely, very light, not overpowering. It is just perfect to add to your Thanksgiving table as a dessert. I hope this episode inspired you to try the pumpkin spiced flan at home. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to click that notification bell so that you'll be notified of every new episode that's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.